Well, good people, I posted a video and 35 minutes later, there was a peace deal posted. Let's get right into it. We could see here, right here, Iran war live. Pakistan announces U.S.-Iran ceasefire, and so did the president, as you could see here. Deal is reached to end war, right? On Trump's orders, stop the U.S. naval blockade. The Straits of the Straits of Hormuz will be open. Let's get to this right here. All right, the United States and Iran has reached an agreement to end the war and open the Straits of Hormuz, offering relief to the global economy more than 3 months since fighting began. All right, full details of war were not immediately available, but the signing will be Friday in Switzerland. That's what we need to know. U.S. President Donald Trump confirmed a deal had been reached and said he had authorized an end to the U.S. naval blockade of Iran ports in the Straits of Hormuz. Congratulations to all, he wrote on social media. Okay, so you have it right there. What's happening right now? Let's take a look. What do you think? The pre-markets. Pop, pop, pop. Green, green, green. Green, 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 green. The Dow, green. The S&P 500, green. The NASDAQ, green. And then what's happening with crypto? Green, green, green. Let's do a refresh. All right. Based on this news in the last hour, Bitcoin is up 1%. Ethereum is up 2%. XRP 116. XRP is up 2.6%. And you're going to see a lot of things popping as this good news came out. Now, if you did not watch the prior video to this, I'm going to leave it at the end of this video because it is extremely important that you watch the video. It'll be in this box here. That video talks about what I think is going to happen to this market. It talks about, I think that some of this news is already priced in. People are going to expect the stock market to double from here, which is not going to happen. People are going to expect it to explode. I believe it's going to be a green day tomorrow. Okay? Yes, green. But a lot of this has been priced in, so I want to caution what you buy at all-time highs. I want to caution that a lot of this has been priced in, and some of this will be buy the rumor, sell the news. What does that mean? You buy the rumor that something is going to happen and you sell it before the news. So I believe that there will be a pop and then a drop. How much will the drop be? Larry is going to be straight with you and tell you, I do not know. But again, this is going to sound crazy. But if you don't know what a trailing stop loss is on some of the stuff that you're extremely green on, I suggest you stop this video after you watch the other video and you study it. And Monday, you be ready. It could continue. It could run Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know. All I know is if you've been following me, you have a ton of green in your portfolio. Okay. And I want you to be careful and protect your gains. That's what we do. We make money and we protect our gains. Okay. So I didn't tell you to sell. What I'm telling you is you got to make your own decision. You got to do your own studying. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but we bought when it was time to buy. And now we are in massive profits. So now it's up to you to manage your profits. Okay. Remember, stop losses are not just to stop losses when you're losing. Stop losses are also to protect your gains. As a matter of fact, I, on 85% of the time, use trailing stop losses to protect my gains. So that's what I implore you to do, and look at each and every individual stock. They are all not the same on this good news day. Now, it's going to take a little time for stuff to come down. Now, for those of you that are in the cruise lines, airlines, hotels, those type that got just smacked, those will be good on tomorrow. They were already good on Friday. So if you got Norwegian, Carnival Cruise Line, those will be popping. Why? Oil is down. Airlines will be popping. Why? Oil is going to fall. And I hope you understand that if you are just buying oil, like someone was asking me, should I start buying oil on Friday? I said, no, you should be shorting oil, right? It's too late, okay? And so be careful. Somebody was asking me, should I pile up on gold on Friday? I was like, you late to that party. So now we had the IPO of SpaceX. Let's see what happens to SpaceX on Monday. That's what's really going to be interesting. Okay, I'm going to keep this one short so you can watch the one that I posted an hour ago now. That's going to appear in this box. That is going to tell you the entire story. Okay, guys, had to come on and post this. Okay, we will see you. Come join us on Money Moves. Top link below. Hit more on your phone. Go to the description, click that link, give us 3 months. We will teach you options, even if you never understood it. We teach it in a way. And then we just have regular portfolios for those of you that don't want anything to do with options. Now, make sure you watch the video in your upper right-hand corner. We will see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.